companies sometimes struggle with AI projects and bringing them into production because there's quite a big gap from creating a demo and then taking that demo into full production. And that gap relates to having the right leadership, the right strategy, and the right technology in order to bring that from demo to production, that life cycle. And so questions like who owns it, what data feeds into it, what technologies will support this, how do we support the project after it goes into production? Another big factor is how much is this going to cost us using AI, right? So all of these things really are part of the roadmap to bring an AI project to reality. And sometimes companies struggle to bridge that gap. Everyone's racing to bolt AI into their business right now, but most companies don't have the foundation needed to make AI systems work. AI isn't magic. It runs on your data, your systems, your infrastructure. If those aren't solid, AI doesn't fix anything. It just amplifies the mess that's already there. For over 20 years, Euvic has been taking ideas from early back of napkin sketches and prototypes to systems built to scale. Before a company can layer on AI, it needs the same things we've spent 2 decades building: clean data, secure systems, and architecture that can handle capacity at scale. That's what AI readiness is. UVic workshops were primarily designed to provide clients with clarity, specifically when there is an idea, an AI demo, or a new feature to a product. How do we help them take that idea all the way to production? So typically, what we do is we pair our client with UVic's technology and industry SMEs. And for 2 to 4 weeks, we work with that client to understand their current state, what their future state should look like, and figure out all the gaps in between the people, the technology stack, what processes need to be changed. And after that time frame, what the client is left with is an actionable roadmap, right? They are now able to make a go, no go decision after that workshop. There's no single way to start working with UVic, so we build 4 entry points instead of one. For teams with plenty of ideas around AI but no clear priority, we start with AI readiness and enablement. You leave with a clear priority list, a roadmap, and a trained team. For teams planning something new or reworking what already exists, we run a product and solution workshop. You get an aligned scope, real architecture, and a working prototype. When delivery is stalled or a vendor isn't pulling weight, we take you through a technical audit. You walk away with a risk map and a plan to stabilize things. When it's just one piece like QA or DevOps that needs a second look, we launch a focused technical assessment. It's the smallest commitment and it's where most projects begin.